Now, let's go and download a code editor or VS Code so we can work on HTML files on our VS Code code editor, which will give us a lot of helpful tools to work with HTML. So let's go back to our browser, and in here let's download VS Code. So let's type download VS Code and select the VS Code here. Now, since I am using Windows, so I'm going to use the Windows 11 link. You guys can choose based on your operating systems. For now, I'm going to select the VS Code. Okay, the download has started. I will pause the video and come back once the download is finished. Okay, so the download has been finished and I already installed the VS Code in my PC, so I'm not going to install it. If you guys have to install it first, then open the VS Code code editor or Visual Studio Code, click. Then once it's open, go to files and select open folder and choose the folder of your project that we just created. So in here I'm going to my desktop and HTML. In here I have my project, so I'm going to select the folder. Now let's click select folder. Okay, our project has been opening here. Now we need one extension, so whenever we save our file, it should automatically load the web page, so we don't have to refresh our web page every time that we bring changes. So let's go to our extensions in here, and in here search for live server. Then select this extension and click install. Once the installation is finished, close this one, we don't need it. Now let's open our project. Now when I press Ctrl S to save the file, as you guys can see, it will automatically format my code. So this is one of the benefits. And now let's start our live server extension also. So let's bring your cursor down and click this icon below of your VS Code. So let's click this one. It's starting. Now it has opened this. So let's close this one, so we don't need it. Now let's put this side and VS Code in this side. Now when I bring any changes here, for example, I will add this thing. When I press Ctrl S, as you guys can see, it will automatically display in here. So let's test it one more time. Let's delete that test. Press Ctrl S. Now it's gone. So this is it for this video. See you guys in the next video.